Hey guys, how you doing? Fred Gonzalez with G&G Productions. Today we're going to be bringing you an unboxing video. We're going to be doing the Fotga DP3000. So let's get to it.
Brought to you by G&G Productions.
Okay guys, just like the intro said, the unboxing of the Fotga DP3000 matte box. It's about the only thing that I don't have on this ridiculous setup here. Everything is being powered. The powerhouse of this thing is the BP190 V-mount battery. Everything's running off of here except the Takstar microphone that runs off its own AA power source, and my newer CN160 light. I do also have a Bolt, what is this here? The Core SWX 300, very bright light, and my newer light, here it is right here. If you can see both of those together, it's super, super bright. I can basically take footage in complete darkness. Let me turn those off. The newer monitor does pull from the V-mount battery as well as the camera itself. Like I said, everything on here is complete. I even have a focus puller. It's the newer focus puller, not newer like brand new, but newer the brand focus puller. I find that sometimes I do get a little fatigued, so what I did is I have this neck strap from my DJI drone that I use on here with a small D-ring, and it alleviates some of that stress that I put on my arms. This does get pretty heavy after a while, switching from the handle on the top to the sides. It does get pretty heavy, so when I lean it against my body and use that neck strap, it works pretty good. But like I said, the only thing that's missing on there is a matte box, and that DP3000 does allow you to put variable ND filters as well as polarized filters. That's why I opted for that, and you can flag it out, called a French flag, to change it, to change your lenses on there without having to take everything apart. So let's get to it. Let's see what we got in here. This came today, by the way. So, all right, first thing is we have a box in a box. Let's see what's in this smaller box here. I did watch a video on one lad. He had his come in an envelope, and it was all bent to heck. The flaps on the sides were just very, very bent. Looked like the edges of a G5 plane. He was able to straighten them out. I didn't watch finish the rest of the video, but it looked pretty bad. All right, so here we go. Bubble wrap. Quite a bit of bubble wrap on there, which is good, I guess. Open that up. Bubble wrap. More bubble wrap. And now we get to the shrink wrap. I don't know where to start. I'll just start it off myself. All right. So the first thing we see here is some stabilizer rings varying in sizes. Depending on what type of lens you're using, this will stabilize it and decrease the amount of air, or excuse me, decrease the amount of light that comes in. 3 of these come in there. And you have your 15mm rods. These look to be about 10-inch rods here, the 15mm, so it's a universal fit. It's what I have on here now. And these come wrapped fairly good. Thank goodness for Benchmade, right? All right, there's one. There's 2. Nope. Had to check the phone real quick. All right, so the handles that come on here, they look to be machined aluminum, very sturdy, very nice. If I can get this open here. There we go. Get that shrink wrap out of the way. And as you can see, it already has a stabilizer in there. It looks to fit the one I have on there now. So let's go ahead and put that on there. And I did order some rod connectors because the 15mm rods that I have on there now are 12 inches. And obviously with what I'm about to put on, it needs the extenders. So I bought these little extenders from Small Rig, and they screw right in. And what this does is that it extends the total length of the rods. So now I have these really long rods on here, and these are made by Fotga. The rods I have on here already are made by Small Rig. I won't screw it on too much. I don't want to cross thread it. So that slides on there, loosen it up. Wrapped very neatly. They did a good job at securing them, make sure that they don't get damaged in transport. Let's get rid of all this trash. All right, so these here, these little thumb screws right here, what they do is they loosen up like so. And you get these notches that are on the sides here, and they just come in just like that. Actually, this goes on this side. Okay, so there we have it, just real quick and dirty. It's not on there exactly how it should be, but that completes my Small Rig. It's not so small anymore, but I now have the matte box. It has the adjustments on here to fit different ND filters, polarized filters. These unlock right here with the screw up. You turn them. Go. That turns, and you could lift them up, move them all around. If you have different filters that add different stops of filters, add a polarized filter with a 4-stop ND and so forth. But as you can see, the rig is now complete and even more ridiculous than before. So that's it, guys. I'll mess with this a little bit more. It's not exactly how it needs to be. I just wanted to show you the unboxing video and how the rig would look with the GH5S and everything on there. So that's it, guys. Fred Gonzalez with G&G Productions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you.